I get a number of comments asking me why I put the name of the library in front of the function. So let me explain this to you today. So let's create a small script. The script will start with some libraries or packages. So I'm going to use these three packages: dplyr, wakefield, and flextable. Let's load it. Let's create some dummy data, and I'll be using the wakefield package for that. So I'm creating some patient records, data frame, patient ID, age, name, sex, income, and whether the patient died or survived. So you can see that I've put the name of the package in the front, like wakefield _ID, wakefield age, etc. And if I run it and display it in flextable, it works fine. But I could have simply removed this the wakefield in front of that. I didn't have to do that. So I could simply write my script like this and it'll work fine. So what's the point in actually typing all that extra characters? Well, that's the point. Before we go any further, I just want to bring back the library names back. And let's create another script. So for example, in this case, I'm creating a flex table and I'm using some commands. So you can see that I've used the dpatient dataset. That's fine. But I'm using select. And then I'm using summarizer. And then I'm using as _ flex table. Do you know where they're coming from? Which package they're coming from? No, we don't know. We're simply running it and we get the results. So we are fine. The strength of R is that it has a number of libraries which you can use. So in this case, I've decided to use another library called GT summary. So that's fine. There's no restriction on how many libraries we can use. So I've simply loaded this one extra library. And now I'm going to try and run the same function which was running very happily before. And you would see what happens. So let's run this script again. This was working fine before, but this time there's a big error. But the script has not changed. We've used the same functions: select, summarizer, and flextable. So the trouble lies in the fact that the GT summary package has a function called as _ flextable. And the flextable library, which we were using before, also has as _ flextable. And that is the root cause. So if we were to fix our script, we would have to go back to our script, and instead of as _ flextable, we'll put the name of the library in the front also. So in this case, if I go and run it, it's going to work very happily. So now you're getting the point that I always try to put the name of the library in the front, so that no matter what you do with your packages, no matter how many packages you load, your script will still run properly. And that's the main essence of this video. I hope you found this information useful and practical. Please go and like it and subscribe to our channel if you found this information useful. Thank you very much.